Now, all of you open your EVS book, your new chapter, Having Fun. 2 point. Your new chapter, Having Shrestha. Yes, turn off your camera, all of you, and mute your microphone. Now, page number 65. All of you open your EVS book, page number 65. Okay. Your book, page number 65. Okay. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, very good morning, all of you. Now, all of you open your EVS book, page number 65. Page 65. Having fun. Okay. Now, this is our fun time. Fun, and all of you open your EVS book. Fun and games are as important as work. Okay. Like different work, we will do different work for our different purposes. Then fun and games also very important in our life. Okay. Next, here see the picture. See this picture. What is this picture? Here some boys like your age, like you, some teeny boys and girls are in the park and they are playing in their leisure hours. So, look at the picture and write what the children are doing in the park. There are how many children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 children are playing in the park. Okay. And in our home also, we go to our garden or park in our leisure hours or in the afternoon. So, look at the picture and write what the children are doing in the park. So, here we write down what the children are doing in the park. So, all of you see in your book and open your EVS copy and write down. Next question is, look at the picture. Look at the picture. Look at the picture and write what the children are doing in the park. Okay. So, there are some children in the park. Number 1, there are some children in the park. Next, some boys are playing cricket here in your book. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boys are playing cricket. Some are throwing balls and some are do umpiring and some play as batsman, okay, some plays as bowler, okay, and some plays are umpires. So some boys are playing, okay. So next number 2, some boys are playing. Some boys are playing. Some boys are playing. Good morning all of you. Next, 2 girls are playing badminton here. Here, yes, these 2 girls are playing badminton. Okay. Susan, turn off your camera. So next, 2 girls are playing badminton. 2 girls are playing badminton. Sorry, some boys are playing cricket. And 2 girls are playing badminton. Okay. So next, a girl is skipping here. This girl, okay, a girl is skipping. Next, number 3, a girl is skipping. Okay. Next, 1 boy is running here. 1 boy is running and some are doing different activities here. Some do different activities here also. Okay. So next, 1 boy is running and then some are doing different activities. 1 boy is running. 1 boy is running and some are doing different activities. Okay. So look at the picture and write what the children are doing in the park. So there are many boys and girls in the park. There are some children in the park, or there are many boys and girls in the park. Next, some boys are playing cricket. 2 girls are playing badminton and a girl is skipping. Okay, and 1 boy is running. 1 boy is running and some are doing different activities. Okay, so Next, people do many things to have fun, like singing, drawing, dancing, etc., or playing different playing like in games like indoor games and outdoor games. Okay, so people do many things to have fun, and some people play indoor games and some play outdoor games. Okay, completed your board work? Completed? Okay, then I erase the board. Pratyusha, do it fast. Okay, so fun activity we do different works. In our fun time we do different works like different types of funny games like indoor games or outdoor games. Indoor games means Ludo, Carom, etc., and outdoor games cricket, kabaddi, football, volley, kho-kho, etc. So, in our leisure hours we do different activities, and if we do this type of work, these fun activities, our mind is so free and with joyful mind and full of joy. Okay, so fun and games are as important as work. ওকে, যেমন আমরা ওয়ার্কগুলো ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ ওয়ার্ক আমরা ইম্পর্টেন্টের সাথে করি, দেন ফান অ্যাক্টিভিটি অ্যান্ড গেমস অলসো ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইন আওয়ার। ওকে, প্রত্যুষা ডু ইট ফার্স্ট, শ্রেষ্ঠা ডু ইট ফার্স্ট। Yes, Susan, one boy and one girl ride seesaw. Okay, very good. And write down here one boy and one girl. And one girl ride riding. Okay, very good, completed. Okay, so people do many things to have fun, and some people play indoor games and some play outdoor games. Okay, so in our leisure time people do different activities to have fun. People do different activities to have fun. Okay, yes, one boy is playing with his skating. Very good. So Somagni, very good, one boy is playing with his skating. Yes, so I write down here one boy is, this also, one boy is playing with his skating. So the different types of fun activities are here. Some are outdoor games and some indoor games. So different fun activities different fun activities. Okay, like, yes, Pratusha, the children are doing picnic. Here, picnic. Yes, also picnic. Next, show different fun activities like dancing, drawing, or singing, or different types of games. Okay, like dancing, singing, drawing, or different types of games or games. Okay. Next, games are two types, outdoor games also and indoor games. Okay. Next, outdoor games, we are playing in playground or out of my house, and indoor game we can play inside our home. Okay, and outdoor games we play outside our house. Okay, so games like indoor games and outdoor games. And indoor games. Okay. Indoor games and outdoor games. So, in outdoor games, football, cricket, and indoor games are Ludo, Carrom. Okay. So, people do many things to have fun, and some people play indoor games and some play outdoor games, like in outdoor games football, cricket, volley, kabaddi, and indoor games Ludo, Carrom, etc. Okay. So, next I repeat again this topic, having fun, and fun and games are as important as our work, and people do many things to have fun, like singing, dancing. Susan, turn off your camera. And some people play indoor games also, and some play outdoor games, and you also do different fun activities. If you like to dance, you can dance. If you like to draw any scenery or any picture, then you can draw. You can, if you like singing, then you sing in your leisure hours. So this is our fun activity we do in our leisure hours. Okay. Next, completed this work. Okay, Shrestha completed. Very good. So student, you can also this type of activities like playing or games or singing, okay. So in our leisure hours, any type of activities, fun activities like drawing pictures or singing song, dancing, okay, and any outdoor or indoor games. From this fun activity, our mind is very much free and full of enjoy, okay. So fun and games are as important as our work, and people do many things to have fun, and some people play indoor games also and outdoor games also, okay. So today I have completed up to this page, page number 65, and next classes we will complete rest of the topic, okay. Now today's time is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.